Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And today is Triple Play Saturday and this one is round one. I hope your weekend is starting off just right. And if it is, cool, keep it moving. If it's not, listen, put the cables on it, give it a jump start and be on your way. All right, you guys, we got a nice lineup today, so don't miss not one round. Let's kick this review off. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and welcome to Triple Play Saturday round one. Now we got a nice lineup for you, but this first one is nice. DW made the cut. The name of the watch face is called DW49. Now in the always on mode for the Gears 3, you're going to get the same look. For the Gears 2, it's going to be slightly different, but you'll still get what's most important at a glance with no problem. But let's talk about this watch face when it's on. I really like the stylish, unique design. Really pulls the watch face together, and I'm liking the texture background as well. And the watch face to a degree is going to be battery efficient as well, and I like that. But let's take a look at the time. The time is stacked to a degree. You come down, you're going to get your date. You're also going to get your steps, which is important, and then down at the bottom you got your heart rate, and it is inactive, so if you tap on it you can go in and extract that information. Same thing for your settings, your music player, and phone, so you can make a phone call as well. You get your goal completed up at the top. Also, if I tap right here, I can go in and set an alarm, and I like that. I thought that was pretty cool. And also you can go in and get the calendar. Now I like the fact that you get the best of both worlds. I'm really liking the look of these analog hands. It really sets the watch face off, and also you get your meter down here for your battery. So I thought my man got down on this one, guys, but you got to hit me in the comment section below, because at the end of the day, it's all about you. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you again at the next video. Take care.